In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for PayPal. Securing your online financial accounts is paramount, and two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a vital extra layer of protection to your PayPal account. This strengthens your defense against unauthorized access, even if your password were to be compromised, offering substantial peace of mind. To begin, log into your PayPal account and navigate to Settings. This option is typically a gear icon in the top right corner, or accessible through your profile menu. Clicking it takes you to your account overview, where you manage personal details and preferences. From your settings page, locate and click the Security tab. This dedicated section contains all security features for your PayPal account, including password management and login protections. It's where you'll safeguard your financial information effectively. Ensure you're in this specific security area before proceeding. Within the Security section, you'll clearly see an option labeled Two-Step Verification. Go ahead and click this link. This feature activates the second layer of authentication for your account. By enabling it, PayPal will require an additional piece of information, something only you possess, whenever you log in from a new or unrecognized device. This extra step drastically reduces the risk of account takeover. Once you've clicked Two-Step Verification, PayPal will present choices for implementing this crucial security layer. Your main options are typically an Authenticator app or a security key device. If you choose the Authenticator app, this involves installing a third-party application on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate unique, time-sensitive codes that refresh every 30 to 60 seconds. During login, after entering your password, you'll be prompted to input the current code displayed on your Authenticator app. This is a widely used and convenient method. Alternatively, opt for a security key device. This is a small physical hardware piece, often resembling a USB drive, that you plug into your computer or connect wirelessly. Examples include YubiKey. When prompted during login, you simply insert or tap the key. This method provides exceptionally high security and strong protection against sophisticated phishing attempts. Your choice depends on your preference for convenience versus the highest level of security. After making your selection, follow the on-screen instructions to link your chosen method to your PayPal account, whether by scanning a QR code for an app or registering your physical key.